Next, I'm going to show you how to place a muzzle. A muzzle is really important if you have an emergency with your pet. Your pet may be painful, it may be hurting, it may try to bite you if you're trying to move it into the car or wash its wound or apply a bandage. So it's important to know how to put a muzzle on. And we have two different types of muzzles. We have a cloth muzzle. This will hold their mouth shut. They can still breathe, but it may be difficult to take treats. Or we have this basket muzzle. This goes around their mouth so they can still open their mouth, pant, take treats, but it prevents them from being able to bite you. So I'm going to demonstrate with my cloth muzzle first. So you'll notice that it has the wider part at the bottom. This will go underneath your pet's chin. And I'm going to come from behind Ripley. Pets often do better if we come from behind them as opposed to coming in front of them and trying to put the muzzle on in front. And in one quick, swift movement, we're going to slide the muzzle on. And then it buckles behind the ears.
Yes.
Good girl.
Yes.
Yes, good girl. Next, I'm going to demonstrate the basket muzzle. This has a wider part at the bottom that's going to go underneath the chin. And then it's got a strap that buckles around the ears. And it's got an additional strap that buckles over the top of the head to help hold that muzzle in place. Are you ready to demonstrate, Ripley?
Come on.
Come on, girl.
Good girl.
All right, so once again, I'm gonna come from behind her, slip it on over her head, buckle behind her ears, and then I'm going to take this additional buckle and buckle it over the top of her head. And now she's ready to go. In a pinch, if you are having an emergency, you don't happen to have a muzzle present, you can use your dog's leash as a temporary muzzle, but we don't want to leave this on for very long because it can constrict their skin, can cause swelling of their face. So what we do in this case, we can loop it over the top of her mouth and wrap it around her muzzle, just like this. Good girl, Ripley. Good girl.
Yes. Yes.